Right, so we have this jar right here, which contains both the backend and front end. Now we're going to use Maven and this Jib plugin with Maven that allows us to basically take this jar and then bundle that into an image. So take this jar and then have it as an image that then we can push that to Docker Hub. So Docker Hub is the container registry where we can have a bunch of Docker images. Right here, what I want you to do is to navigate to docker.com. So this is the main page of Docker. And basically what I want you to do is to create an account. So go ahead and create an account here. So get started. And what I want you to do is to download the Docker desktop. So here, Docker desktop for Windows or Linux. So here I'm on a Mac. Just download for Mac, but I already have it installed, and the installation process, it's really simple. And then also I want you to sign up. So I want you to create an account with Docker. So Docker, so that we can build this image. So we're going to use Jib in a second, build an image of this jar file and then push it to Docker Hub. And for this, you need an account. So go ahead and sign up and create an ID, so on and so forth. So in my case, I already have, basically if I zoom in, right? So I already have an account with them. So I'm just going to sign in and my username is Amigos Code. And this is public, by the way. So you can actually go to Docker Hub and see all images that I have available. So here, Amigos Code. I'm going to sign in and let me save this password for now. And there we go. So here I do have 2 images in here. So for now, don't worry about this because we haven't pushed anything from our code, but this is some stuff that I was doing. So this was actually 2 years ago, and then this was me playing around with this course. So yeah, so once you have the account, log in, and then you can see the repositories here. So if I click on repositories, you can see that I do have 2 repositories, and basically you can explore. So you can even search for Amigos Code backend and you'll see my 2 images in here. So go ahead, and again, I want you to download Docker desktop and then sign up so that you can push Docker images to Docker Hub. And as I said before, so on my website, I do have this course, Docker Essentials, and this teaches you pretty much everything you need to know about Docker, and it's absolutely for free. So I'm going to leave this course as well under the description of this video so that you can learn about Docker if you don't know much about Docker. Next, let me go ahead and show you how to use Docker in your local machine.